Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, so am I. My name is Agnes. Thank you for clicking on this video. So today I've got my mum back in the salon. She is well overdue to get her nails done, as you can see, and it's actually been exactly 8 weeks since she last had them done. Please don't judge. I normally don't neglect her like this. It's just because I went for an operation and I simply haven't been well enough to do them any sooner. But for 8 weeks, I think she's done pretty good. She had gel polish on, which we've already gone ahead and removed, and I filmed a video last time that she was in where I cover how I safely remove gel polish, so feel free to go ahead and check that out. The link is on the screen just now. So as you can see on her thumb here, she's got a little split on the side going right into her nail bed. So the best way to deal with this is to apply builder gel, which will prevent this split from splitting any further. It'll keep the nail strong and allow it to grow out until you obviously file down the length at some point. Here I'm just going in with the gel bottle's clear rubber base coat, and I'm making sure to get that right in that crack, and then I'm going to make sure that I cap all the edges, and I'm going to do the same for all the other nails. And then I'm going to pop that in the lamp for a cure for 90 seconds in a low heat mode. Do the same for the other hand. So I'm just brushing the base coat onto the nail, getting it as close to the cuticle as possible so we get maximum wear out of this. And then I'm making sure to cap the free edge so we don't get any chipping. Going back to the other hand, I'm reaching out for the gel bottle's clear builder gel. I'm going to apply a thin coat of that all over the nail, and that will just seal that crack in. It will prevent any more damage to the nail. Your nail can just grow out until the crack is eventually just filed down as you take down the length. And I'm going to go ahead and pop this in a lamp for 90 seconds to cure under the low heat mode. We've picked out Precious and Bonanza for our gel polish colours today. I'm going in with the Bonanza on the pinky, the index and the thumb, and we'll do Precious on the ring and middle finger, which we're going to top off with some nail art. If the nails are short and you're finding it awkward to cap the free edge, a little tip is to flip your brush upside down and from the tip of the nail bring it up towards the cuticle. That way you're dispensing the gel polish on the free edge without getting it onto the skin. Going to get her to pop her hand in a lamp for 60 seconds for a full cure, and then as you can see I'm going ahead and doing the first coat of gel polish on the other hand as well. The thumb that we repaired, I'm going straight in over the top of the builder gel with my gel polish. I didn't need to refine this nail because it was so even and it was just a thin coat of builder gel that we put on here. Fully cure that hand in the lamp for 60 seconds, then going in with the second coat of gel polish, and I will skip forwards here because I am just repeating the same steps. But I do end up doing 2 coats of the Bonanza and I do 3 coats of the Precious, which is the ring in the middle, just to make sure that she gets full coverage and to ensure that her natural tips aren't showing through. But here I am now, I'm going in with the gel bottle's Extreme Shine top coat and top coating the Bonanza nails. Sometimes when I'm doing nail art on a couple of nails, I like to go ahead and top coat the block coloured nails first, because otherwise if they're tacky they can catch fluff, lint, dust, glitter, you name it. It just means that I can work on nail art without worrying about that. Using the gel bottle's clear rubber base coat, I'm going to apply that onto the middle nail, and I do apologise about this blurry moment. Reaching for some gold glitter, I couldn't tell you which brand it is, it's unbranded. But before curing the base coat, I'm going to apply 2 glitter splodges, one up above, one down below. Going in with some gold foil on the ring finger, applying it directly on the sticky residue of the gel polish, and as you can see it's just not tacky enough. So I'm getting her to pop her hand in a lamp to cure that sparkly nail while I look for the gel bottle's Foil X gel. Applying that to the area, and then I'm going back in with a clear rubber base coat on the sparkly nail to seal all that glitter in. fully curing the lamp for 60 seconds, then going to do the same on the other hand. Going in with my foil again, and just look at the difference. Sometimes you can get away with the gel residue, other times you do need that foil gel. For the design, I'm going to be using the Liner 1 brush by the gel bottle and their studio gels in Daisy and Jet Black. With a dotting tool, I'm picking up studio gel in Jet Black and placing a dot in the middle of each glitter splodge. Picking up that black with my Liner 1 brush, I'm doing some foliage on the ring finger over the foil. So doing a stem and then just doing some leaves. I'm going to fill some of the leaves in, others not. Cure that in a lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to get the other hand up to speed. So I'm going to just fast forward here. Next, I'm picking up Daisy, which is a white, and I'm going to do the same thing, except I'm going to fill all these leaves in. Going back to the middle finger, I'm going to mark out 6 equally spaced white dots around the black, which is the bud. These are going to be little flowers, and I'm just going to fill those little petals in. So starting out thin at the bud, and they're going to go a little bit wider, and then you're just going to flick them out into nothing. Oh, it's so lovely. I'm going to get her to pop that hand in a lamp for a full cure, and then I'm going to catch up on the other hand. Now to finish these little flowers off, I'm going to do just a little black line coming from the bud, going over the petal, just to kind of add a little bit of fine detail. Now if you watched my previous video of me doing my own nails, you would know about my little kitten Freya. And let me just say, she is getting way too big for her boots. Jumping on a table when I'm working on myself is one scenario, but it's a whole different scenario if I've got a client. One of my lovely subscribers, I really hope I'm saying your name right, is it Ediekio9186? She commented on that video saying that your cat must make a cameo on each video. Well, it would appear that I don't have much of a choice in the matter. She just walks straight on the table like it's nobody's business. Freya will learn her lesson eventually. I'm sure she will. Anyway, here I am. I'm just going in with the top coat on those nails. Cure that in a lamp for 60 seconds. I'm going to do the same on the other hand. Don't disappear just yet. I'm about to show you my hand cream routine. I've really been enjoying NAF's Moisture Pro hand cream recently. It's infused with hyaluronic acid, which draws it right into the skin super fast, and it's super light on. I'm applying the hand cream by doing a light effleurage, and then with my thumbs I'm just kneading it on top of the hand, light pressure. It does look quite rough because this is sped up, so we're not watching this for forever, but it is very enjoyable and slow. Then with my thumbs underneath, I'm just kneading the palm, and then finishing off with a light effleurage coming down the fingers. I do offer this to every client, and there is no extra fee for this. Finishing off with some cuticle. The one I'm using today is the nail order Maldives, which is lovely, and I just give that a little rub in. Now a quick reminder of what my mum's nails looked like in the beginning today, and here's the finished result. Oh, what a difference. I swear, those nails have just improved her life significantly. Anyway, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. If you have any comments, please do leave them down below and I'll be sure to answer all of them. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Until next time, bye!